Hello guys, welcome back. Today another new earning video review. Okay, apps download link in video description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. And first you need apps open and you need sign up your account. Click here Google option. Select your any Gmail account, automatically log in your account. Okay, and first your need work spin. Okay, lucky spin, 20 spin free, and then click now spin, video ad watching now. Okay, 12 coins earning, then click here. Okay, and second number is spin. Okay, this app 100% trusted, don't miss this video. Okay, open now lucky gift box. Okay, lucky gifts box open, 9 coins earning. Okay, very easily work and very easily earning. Then click now gameplay start now, puzzle game. Okay, 200 coins earning, and video ad watching now, 400 coins earning. Then start now again games. Okay, very interesting game. I am very excited, and please join my Telegram channel. Okay, 100 coins earning, video ad watching now, 200 coins earning, my total earning 700 plus earning, and unlimited games playing and unlimited coins earning. This app 100% trusted, don't miss this bit. Then click here games icon, then click now PayPal. Okay, my total earning 800 coins plus. Okay, 20% lifetime referral commission. Use my referral link, app link, video description. Then click now withdraw PayPal. Okay, 10,000 coins minimum withdraw and 12 USD maximum withdraw. Gcash 10 PSP Philippine pesos and Indonesian and payeer, and 8,000 coins TRX withdraw available. This app 100% trusted, don't miss this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.